find a way to you till then.
Hello guys, we are from Group Dasar. On this occasion, we will make news about food. First of all, we thank God that thanks to His grace, we were able to finish our video. And we make videos about floods because they match what is happening around us. Here is video from us. Have a good time watching.
Morning entering 2021, a number of areas in Indonesia were hit by floods, which were caused by heavy rainfall in early January. One of the villages affected by the flood is in the hamlet of the Cabang Kiri of the Korek village, Sungai Ambawang sub-district. The following information will be delivered by the Alexandra reporter.
Well, now I am at the flood spot in the hamlet of the Cabang Kiri of the Korek village, Sungai Ambawang sub-district.
As you can see, this is the condition where the residents' houses are flooded. And by the time we entered the village, we also found that half of the main road was flooded. The water almost entered the residents' house. Only about 20 centimeter distance between the water and the residents' house.
Now I am with one of the residents of the Cabang Kiri, with Miss Kita.
Yes, I'm
How long has this flood happening?
already 3 months ago.
What causes the flood?
The cause is to the rainfall, to the hike and volume river of water overflowing.
The water getting higher every day? How high is the water discharge?
Yes, the water is getting higher, and at the peak when January 13, the water discharge exceeded another knee.
Whether the water enters the resident's house?
The water does not reach the resident houses because the footwall of the resident houses are high.
Are there any casualties due to the flood that hit?
Fortunately, there were no casualties from the flood that hit.
Is there any difficulty or influence for the residents over the floods that hit?
Of course, there are especially residents have difficulty entering the garden due to flooding. In resident activity are limited. Many plants in the yard are dead, and many of the grass around the house is tall, so that it makes the yard feel wet and neglected.
Thank you for the information given to us.
Yes, you're welcome.
Yeah, that's the information we can convey in the hamlet of the Cabang Kiri. With me, Alexandra, back to the studio.
Yeah, thanks Alexandra for the information from the hamlet of the Cabang Kiri. That all the information about the flood from us. I'm Valena Plangiskori, TVN reporting.
Just to find a way to you till then. I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something now, stuck and trying to get up out of this. tried to be strong, I tried to make it work, but I've been feeling too numb. Skies are bleeding on me, why'd you leave me lonely? Feeling witness, lonely.